Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Wray's Garage. Thanks for joining again. Today you're going to see two runs of Autocross over Arizona Motorsports Park, one from November, one from December. You can kind of see side to side how the tracks can be laid out a little differently. This was the first outing with the Spyder's new power setup that I've taken it out, so it was fun to see the differences. Was not getting to the floor as much with the accelerator, which tells me there's more power there and I have power to spare. I also think the driver's getting a little better, but I'll let you be the judge of that. Additionally, I did take my buddy Dennis out from the channel here, Car Fanatic. Check him out for his 911 Carrera S videos, a lot of how-to videos, as well as other cars he gets into. So please enjoy the runs and let me know what you think down below. Thanks a lot.
Oh, it's great. Go side to side and not have any issues.
months with the Boxster doing some autocross, I can tell you that my times are improving relative to the field, especially the folks in the field that I'm interested in chasing their coattails. So definitely getting closer to those people, less of a gap between my car and the better drivers and the better cars, or a combination thereof. So really encouraging there. And I was starting to lose the love a little bit, but then December really got me sucked back in. The car's really delivering what I thought it could deliver based on, adding the 30-40 horsepower at the wheels that we can really put down now. So please comment, like, subscribe accordingly, and look forward to new videos soon for the new vehicle we put in the garage last week, and that's pickup. And we'll start doing some comparison videos, seeing how NA versus EV lines up from D-Ray's Garage. So thanks everyone, we'll see you next time. Bye now.